So I had some leftovers from the other night cooking on the Blackstone. So I figure I'd throw it all together in the air fryer. I had Brussels sprouts, onions, steak, brats, potatoes. It's been in for about 5 minutes right now. And when you put it on 5, I think that's about all you could work with. It gets so hot so quick. Just like the Blackstone. 400 degrees, 5 minutes. It's blazing hot in there right now. I don't know. Time's almost up. What do you think? Let's give it a look. Oh, wait. That's some good looking stuff. Love this air fryer. Awesome. Once I get my kitchen together, Blackstone, the air fryer, man, sky's the limit.